Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, it's a Louis Vuitton day and I will be sharing to you their up and coming and latest Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so of course, you know our practice here. I would be sharing everything you need to know from prices, product codes, SKU, product features, and launch dates would be noted here. So you know our drill here. Kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, please check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to please join me until the end of this episode and happy shopping guys! Hi guys, Ron here, BUDGETARIAN FASHIONISTA. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please do help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Also, kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share Louis Vuitton's latest bag collection launching June 2024 and more of May releases. Prices, SKU, product features, launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your reference, and for orders and availabilities, please check with your CAs. Happy shopping, everyone! Alright, so let us start with a new bag, Louis Vuitton bundle. Price is 2,500 euro or 3,100 USD. Launching June 28, 2024. I am loving this bucket bag style. The color is tortorelle and cream. This is a bi-color combination. It would come with a detachable leather pouch, and I'm loving that it comes with a detachable shoulder strap as well. So this bag comes also in this cream colorway. So this is like a more subtle because it doesn't come with the bi-color combination. Price of this one is 2,400 euro or 2,970 USD. I am loving also the front leather pouch that it comes with top handle and shoulder strap as well. Then it would also come in this my personal favorite, the color combination noir front leather with gold hardware, as we could see here. Price is 2,400 euro or 2,970 USD. So again, it comes with the smaller detachable pouch in the front leather, two straps, and detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. Next bag, so we have the Montsouris. First, we have the size MM. Price is 3,300 USD. Material is monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. It would come with vachetta top handle, but the backpack is made of monogram canvas as well. So this is a new edition of the classic style, the Montsouris backpack. Next, we have the Montsouris size PM. The price of this one is 3,050 USD. So same features in just a little bit smaller size. I believe the Montsouris PM would also be perfect for as an everyday bag and would be perfect as a travel bag as well. Made of monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. And the last of this size, we have the size mini. So price is 2,850 USD. So currently we do not have the size information, but I'm guessing that definitely this is smaller than the PM. So guys, by the way, the Montsouris backpack would be launching July 28, 2024. So this is a preview. Once I have more photos of these bags, I would be sharing it here and be creating a different vlog. Next, we have the tote Mangu. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this one. So launching June 16, 2024 from the By the Pool Resort collection. So I'm guessing this is the drop 2 of the By the Pool collection. The price of this one is 2,700 euro or 3,350 USD. I'm not really sure of the material. I'm looking at it. It looks like a nylon material, just like this bucket Mangu bag. price of this one is 2,200 euro or 2,720 USD. So again, I'm just guessing guys that the material is made of nylon because it would be perfect to bring at the beach or by the pool, and it would come with this very cute bag charm as well. It would come with vachetta leather trims. Next, we have the Vivien Fashionista bag charm. First, we have the colorway in gold. The price of this one is 1,050 euro rather. So if you're a fan of Vivien or any bag charm from Louis Vuitton, this is so perfect because what I'm loving is this teeny tiny cute Alma that she is carrying around. It would come in the rose fuchsia colorway as well. So the color or the price of this one is 1,050 euro. So colorway is rose fuchsia with gold hardware as we could see here. Loving the monogram canvas color at the back of Vivien Fashionista, and it would come with this LV charm. So it would not come with the Alma bag just like with the first one. And then this is the third one. The price of the Vivien Fashionista bag charm is 1,050 euro. So the material is the classic monogram canvas. So as you can see, if we're going to zoom in, it would come with a twilly, and it would come with the Louis Vuitton bag that is the sign of the Louis Vuitton flagship store in Paris. Next, we have new bag Capucines Mini East West. This collection would be launching May 31st, 2024. Price of this one is 7,000 USD. We have SKU here. What is different about this one aside from the East West configuration, as you're going to notice that the Louis Vuitton logo is like a crunch texture. It would come in the noir colorway. I am personally loving this colorway. So black and gold combination. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, and as we are going to see that the interior is fully leather lined. So this is the close-up of the Louis Vuitton logo. Next, we have the very beautiful Capucine size mini East West. Price of this one is 7,000 USD. We have SKU here. The colorway of this one is optic white. It would come with silver hardware. Just look at this one. This is going to be perfect for either fall, winter, or spring, summer. Loving the combination of the silver hardware with detachable leather strap as well. Then going back to the By the Pool 2024 collection, these are some of the bags that we haven't discussed yet. So first, this is launching May 23rd, 2024. Clearer photos of the Capucine PM. So we have the price of 3,900 euro or 4,950 USD. So as you're going to see that the chain comes with the bando, hopefully, and crossing my fingers. And then we have the twist size PM, still part of the By the Pool 2024 collection. The price of this one is 3,700 euro or 4,600 USD. The main material is epi leather. Color is shaded pink. It's like an ombre effect finish, and it would come with gold hardware with the dolphin charm on the strap, as you could see here. So it would come in this shaded blue colorway. The price of this twist PM is 3,700 euro or 4,600 USD. SKU is provided. So the hardware of this one is silver, as we could see here, and the dolphin is in the blue colorway. Still the color, the shaded blue, is like in the degradé effect. Then new monogram bags in Eclipse monogram. We have the Montsouris wearable wallet launching May 23rd, 2024. Price is 1,700 euro or 2,100 USD. We have SKU here. It would come with matte black hardware with detachable leather or canvas strap rather. Then we have the hammock bag. Price is 1,800 euro. We have SKU here. Main material is the new Eclipse monogram canvas with matte black hardware. As we could see here, it would come with bag tag. It looks like the very famous moon shape or crescent shaped bags right now. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!